Hey, good morning. Today I'm up on a Perkiomen Creek. The beautiful Perkiomen Creek. Just came up here to catch some bait fish and head down to the Schulykill River and try to catch some flathead catfish. Let's see how the day wears on. Isn't this beautiful? Well, I didn't catch any bait fish down there in the Perkiomen, so I came up here fishing off the dock with Richard Smith. His first time here. We're hoping to catch some catfish, so let's see what happens. Well, I just got one. Well, we got one here. Not big. Nice little channel. Has nice coloring. Throw him back. Yeah, skinny, yeah. He's 1 year old, 2 at the most. Well, so ends my day on the water. Time to go home and make some shish kebabs on the grill. That's Ed up there in his kayak. I'm sure he'll have a better video today than mine. But I did have fun because I got outdoors.